Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Show and Tell. I'm Peter Salib, and this is on behalf of BoldTV and Grit Daily. Thanks for joining. So today we have the Sous Vide device cooker. So Sous Vide is a style of cooking. The direct translation from French literally means under vacuum. So what that literally means is we're actually just cooking underwater. So the style is actually a lower temperature and longer time. So the water isn't getting to like a boiling temperature. It's going to stay between 110 and 190 degrees. So it's summertime. Everybody's got their grills out. You might not having a big party, but you're still going to be barbecuing, right? So get those grills, get those steaks, but why don't you try cooking that steak underwater? And I'm not talking about boiling it. I'm talking about sous videing. So to use this, you're going to take the steak, you're going to vacuum seal it, and then you're going to drop it right into the sous vide pot. Now this has technology called AccuTemp, and it's a dual system, so it's going to heat it evenly from the top and the bottom, and it's a precision cooker. So what that means is it's able to maintain that exact precise temperature for a period of time. So this is actually multiple things. It's a rice cooker, it's a steamer, and multiple other things. You can use it to fry things as well. So that's the sous vide. You can also use it to sear. So that means emptying the water out after you sous vide it, and then getting it to the temperature of searing, and then put that steak right back inside to sear it right after you sous vide it. So you can go from sous vide to sear and everything in between with the sous vide. That's sous with a V. Thanks again. I'm Peter Salib. This is Show and Tell. Thanks for watching and see you next time.